let's see, guys. Let's see if it comes back, but then it's gonna be the buy limits for me. I'm not gonna be chasing trades. That's the thing I don't do. If it goes, it goes. You know, this thing doesn't phase me. It's not the first time for me trading the forex market. I do have a missed trade. Yeah, man, I had a missed trade while I was away. I wasn't using my phone. I didn't check, but then there was a trade that that happened. Top of the morning, guys. It's a new day, it's a new morning, man. It's a new day to make money, it's a new day to improve the results. You know, it's a Monday, and yeah, right now I'm just gonna get into the live trading with Hlanzi and the team. You know, the vibe. So guys, I'm just gonna show you the pace that we have for this week and the possible trades for today. So you're gonna take a few lessons from what I'm gonna be showing you, so listen attentively. So this is going to be an educational vlog. Throughout, I'm gonna take you through my day for today, and yeah, man, it's a new week also for the flipping challenge is also doing that as well, and I'm posting it as a separate video apart from the day in life videos. But yeah, it's a challenge on itself, and this is a day in life on itself, man. So guys, as you can see, I'm fresh as fuck. Just did my face routine and I'm looking crispy as hell. And if you want to know about my products, get ready to start the live trading, man. So right now I just want to open Camtasia and then record the screen, you know, vibes. So okay, now the screen is being recorded, and then yeah, the screen is being recorded, and yeah, man. So right now I'm just waiting for the team to enter, and then we're gonna be starting to discuss the forex market. So show you guys so you can learn, man. Yeah, it's a Monday. The Sunday market breakdown has been made. A lot of stuff, man. So you should be inside the server, bro. Imagine being in a server whereby you're just paying 500 rands and you're getting live trading, you're getting training, and also you're getting like VIP signals. That is a bargain, bro. That is a bargain, man. Hey guys, and before you click off the video, I just wanna share with you this amazing prop firm tool, guys. This is prop firm, a website I've been using to buy forex challenges, man. So what is this website about? So this website, guys, assist us in buying the prop firms from the top 1% of the best prop firms out there, guys. So yeah, this is a prop firm tool that allows us to choose the correct prop firm, regarding the rules we prefer our prop firms to have. Okay, so we have a lot of tools to use and order to filter the prop firms that we usually want. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the account sizes and the number of steps. Is it instant, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, you know what I'm saying? So as for me, I usually prefer myself a 2-step, and yeah, I'll be buying myself a 10k very soon. So yeah, man, and there's more options as well whereby you can do more filtering, like the prices. Maybe let's say I'm gonna be looking for a prop firm ranging like from let's say yeah, not more than $60, and yeah, man. So okay, they are here, but I don't know what's happening with that. But yeah, man, these are the prop firms here. You do have 61 USD, you have 66 over there, 10k challenge, right? There's the phase 1, the phase 2 funded, and yeah, there's quite a lot of them, guys. So you can check here, and the prop firms that are in this website, guys, what I like about it is that they usually come with the discounts themselves, you know. So you don't have the hustle of like now looking for discount codes on YouTube or websites. They're already like with the discounts inside, and as if you are buying prop firms inside this website, guys, you find yourself getting discounts, man. Like you get credits every time you buy a prop firm here. So then if with enough credit, then you're able to buy another challenge for free using the credit. Okay, so yeah, man, these are the top prop firms that are here. So there's a lot of filtering that happen here, even with the account sizes as well. You can, maybe if you're looking for a 2k, there's a 2k, there's a 6k, those amounts, 250k, 1 million. So there's a lot, guys. So you can find the prop firms here, and then here you can have the filtering, advanced filtering, whereby you can filter the account size you want, the profit splits, the profit targets combined, the profit targets with the drawdown ratio, everything, the business days, and also you can also choose a prop firm based on location as well. If you know you are interested in prop firms from the United States, you press that, and okay, two-step 10k from the United States. Let me just leave it at 0, and then let's just go to the advanced search now, and then so yeah, these ones I think they are available in the United States. So yeah, man, you choose with that. Maybe I want one from the United Kingdom or my country where I'm at. Yes. So yeah, man, there's a lot, man. Dubai, you can check, then search. So it depends on the prop firms you usually want. So these ones are also in Dubai. I want to also show you something. You can also choose, yeah, the platform you want to trade the ads. Like if I want a prop firm that offers match trade, I can search again. So these ones do offer match trader right here. So as you can see, these are the list of the ones that offer match trader on the accounts I chose that are also in the Dubai. So yeah, and then you can choose that one, and then you can buy it from there. Like save yourself and a lot of hassles, man. So do check prop firm match. The link is just going to be below. And yeah, man. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Beautiful morning to be alive, man. Good beautiful morning to kill the Forex market, guys. The Forex market is looking for this week. So Nonneto is in the house. Shout out. It's ADC Chef Goods. Okay, we do have our double top area here. We did our market psychology, started to push down, and then this is just a bigger continuation pattern to the downside by the looks of things, because this was an impasse and then a correction and then the impasse, because you know that I see how to just move on, impasse, correction, impasse. So there's a high chance it can go down. However, we do have these inflation points, but then the inflation point doesn't pose that much of a risk unless we're just counter trending, which is where there's no opportunity to be counter trending at the moment. And what I was saying is that this is just a pattern separation. Okay, let me add this Bruella. Okay, good. So we had this 1 2 3 light last week. Just that I remove these things once I understand how the price action is looking like. So this was just a simple continuation. It went down, didn't commit, it came back here, created a mini double top and M style formation, right? It created like an M style formation, yeah, and then it went down. Okay, so we came back up for the mini double top again, so I can remove this. So this is just pattern separation. We usually pattern separate when there's usually a mess, because this is a section of its own, this is another section of its own, and then this is another section of its own. So then you can pattern separate, especially when the structure is very much complex. So shouldn't be worried much about pattern separation. Yeah, boy. You learn as we're continuing with this market scenarios, because majority of the time you find that these things you're gonna know them by experiencing the different market cycles. It's not just a lesson for one day. Does it happen you're just confused of what we're saying? Nah, relax. So as we were saying, so just pattern separated. As I say, we're looking for sales. So right now current market price is that we have the push down, a pullback, and another push down here. We do have conviction in price action, and the next low is going to be down there. So what are we looking for here is a 1 hour continuation to the downside, right? So first of all, we do have the first touch for now, and then we're expecting a second and the touch. So yeah, it still needs a bit of time, but then it is a valid position. I don't want to lie. If we do get it, we're still on, and then maybe let's say at least you should have around maybe 3%, man, to manage the trade to the low. That is what I usually suggest when you're taking trades like this. At least go at 3% in like between the next inflation point on the next inflation point, so that you can clearly manage the trade. Because once it is like good day, like that much of to manage, you find that you get yourself into an unnecessary loss. So that is a rule. If you didn't have it, you have to add it at least 3% to manage the trade. So what do I mean by that? You see, when there's this kind of pullbacks like that or like this, yeah, well, there has to be the first 3%. It happens sometimes, good see, on the left side there is nothing to hinder our trade, but then this time around there is this inflation point. And how do we see inflation points? It is usually a pullback or a collection of volume, something like this. By collection of volume, I mean when price is stalling like that, like it collects volume, we call that a collection of volume, and then it went down, then it went up, a pullback, it went up. So this is a value, an inflation point that we might price might reverse when it comes down here. So at least there is room to manage to break even. Break even is that we put the stop loss here just in case it reverses. You don't get out of a loss, but then out of like a break even, so you have nothing to win and you have also nothing to lose. But then ADCHF, we're just waiting for the continuation here, the 3-touch pattern. I think by now you know what the 3-touch pattern looks like. It is usually something like this. So let me try to draw it like that, and then there, man. So the 3-touch pattern is something like that, yeah, and then we usually get our entry on the 3rd touch right there, and then maybe wait for that confirmation candlestick, and then we take that from that. So that is what we're looking for here, the 3-touch. So we're looking at here, so we're looking for the pattern to form there. That 3-touch, as you see, I focused at it. So the 3-touch is the most used pattern that we use to enter the trades. So that is how we see if a trade is now ready to be taken, because as Falcon traders who are pattern identifiers, we take trades upon like the patterns, right? So there's usually different variation of these patterns, but then with the students from the mentorship, I usually send them a document where they can see that the patterns look like this. For example, I'm gonna show you the system right here. This is the go-to setups, this is the 3-touch, and there's the screenshots for these things, how they look like, man. So they are not the same, but then they have the same concepts in them. As you can see, this one is a different one. This is the 1st touch, 2nd touch, and then the 3rd touch, and then you get the confirmation, and then it sells. It's simple like that, man. So that is the 3-touch pattern. See, there's a lot of variations, man. So this is another example of how it looks like. 1st touch, 2nd touch of the trend line, and the 3rd touch, a retrace, and then it starts moving to the downside. So this is what we're actually anticipating on ADCHF. So this is the 3-touch I'm talking about, right? So another example. Okay, no, this one is not a good example. Let me look for another one. Euro pairs, UAD. Yeah, this is another good example of a 3-touch. So as you can see, the 1st touch, the 2nd touch, the 3rd touch, and then majority of the time it's gonna go down. As you can see, what usually happens, and then the price goes down. Simple, guys. That is how the 3-touch usually looks like. So the important part you have to see in the 3-touch is that we are going to be having the 1st touch, you're going to be having the 2nd touch, and then you're going to be having the 3rd touch. Like, it has to have clear spacing as well. There has to be space, and the depth has to be there as well, like that. It has structure in it, because majority of you guys, you just take the trades that don't have structure, yeah, bro. So yeah, this is just the examples, man, of how a 3-touch is usually look like. You see, 1, 2, 3, there's the space there, there's also the base in the bottom, and then the middle section as well. So the 3-touch is looking like that. So if you have this document, you just look like every day, try to train your eyes on how the 3-touch pattern usually looks like, and then that is what we're looking for here. So vele special predictor usually predicts the 3-touch. It doesn't just happen. We see, you'll find it there, but then you have to predict okay, I'm looking for it. But then here, as you can see, yeah, there's evidence that this could be a possible 1st touch. It can happen that the pattern doesn't even form, yeah, but we can move on to the next trade. But as for now, we're looking for that. So someone just requested to join, so let me admit that person there, and then yeah, man, what's up, Ngozo? You got in a little bit late, man, but then you are in luck because the session is also being recorded. So yeah, man, but then people are here, and I'm happy people are attending the live session. But let's continue, man. Okay, let me remove that. So the second pair that I have on watch is going to be this EuroCAD. So let's see how EuroCAD is from the daily time frame. So EuroCAD is looking like this. So we take those highs, right, and then we're anticipating a sell, but then look at how price action is reacting there. It's like forming a continuation, because you can see in a corner which there is a 1, there's a 2, there's a 3. So that is a 3 touch. So it's like a bullish flag on the higher time frame. So this higher chance can go up because this was an impasse, continuation, impasse. If you know correctly, like to you know how Falcon works. So guys, let me close my door here. Okay, so if you know how the market nature is, you know that this start off like impasse and then a correction and then an impasse. But then if it's going to be a reversal, it's fine. It's going to be impasse, collection of volume, and then it comes down still. But for now, there's a high chance it can continue going up, because it's the way it's reacting on this value area. Because you have to also check how price is reacting on. You cannot just like say you are selling. It's fine, you are at a value area, but then you should look how price is reacting. You can see that price is creating a continuation pattern there, so we should change the bias. It's okay, it's fine. We are looking for sales, but then now it's forming a continuation on the higher time frame, so we change the bias, and then yeah man, so now we're at the lower time frames. We did go up fine, and then we started to go back down, and then what happened here, we tagged this inflation point. As I said, an inflation point is going to be a collection of volume or a pullback. So here we had a different one, which was a collection of volume, went up. Then when we take that collection of volume, it created mass psychology, started to push up, and then we're expecting a continuation flag to the upside, right? As I explained earlier how a 3 touch looks like. So yeah, just expecting that as well. So when you go to the 15-minute time frame, I'm predicting my 3 touch pattern. Yeah, well, at the moment it's not there, but then we can see that okay, we do have our first touch already, we do have a second touch. So I'm waiting for price to go up, give me the structure like Kutsigubene depth, and then come back for the third touch. Maybe if it would be very nice if it would intersect with this inflation point down here, and then that would be a good one to the upside, right? So that is what I'm anticipating on EuroCAD. And then I also have GBP as well. So this one here is nice again. I'm just looking for price to give us a push down and a continuation. So here, this is the hard time frame of the flag of the structure. So here we did react there, and then it started to push down. This was our inflation, our value area on the daily, and then it started to go down, created the structure, and then this was the structure like that, like it was like a 1 2 3, and then it came back to structure and then created a collection of volume on the 4-hour time frame again, which closed very proper. See that's the collection of volume. So that's the inflation point. We take that one, and then we didn't just tag it, we tagged it with the 1 2 3 touch. As you can see there, we have a very nice 1 2 3 touch pattern over there, and then we started to push down with the conviction, and then this is our 1 hour time frame. So we do have our 1 2 3 touch already, but then we're not going to be entering a risk entry there, because there's risk mitigation factors that we should mind. Because first of all, there's this head and shoulder type of stuff. Majority of the time when prices head and shoulder like this, it's going to go up a bit on the right shoulder. The right shoulder is usually higher than the left shoulder. Look at what happened. Yeah, price did pierce through. So yeah, but still I'm not going to be taking a risk entry, because there's also a hook point. Because you guys, if there's a hook point, price is just gonna come in and then it goes down. So taking a risk entry there, it is a bit of a higher risk. So you can see in the left week, but then however it is back to structure, we do have that retrace down. So I think that retrace is more than enough as a push down. We can go to the 15 and check what's up, but then off of it there's nothing. Maybe I'd be anticipating a flag structure there, and then maybe like a 1 2 3 there would be very nice to maybe intersect with this if it does happen though. So I'm still waiting on the possible continuation pattern to complete. So and then the rest, there's nothing of yet, man. There's nothing of yet. GBP CHF is amazing. So this one, we have our 1 2 3 touch double top there, just having a push down, and yeah man, you have conviction. So yeah, I'm waiting for our 1 hour flag because we're a bit far. So 1 hour flag, a 3 touch, also just gonna be predicting the 3 touch, and then yeah, that is gonna be it man. So like something like that there, and then if it happens, then we're going to be executing, bruh. So yeah man, this is very nice though. It's very nice. Even if 15 minutes, I'd take it there, like for real, because I like how the structure is. I don't want to lie. But then let's just stick to the 1 hour flag, just for just. And then GBJPY is retracing, which is, I'm not interested in it. But then yeah, I think, oh, there's also this Euro AD pair we buy. Okay, let's check something. Yeah, so this is the lows, right? So we came here, we take the inflation point there. As you can see, this one was a form of a pullback, and then we went up. So yeah man, so that, and then we went the push up. We got the push up counter trend, and then what happened next, we're getting the continuation. So guys, next month, as I said, we're going to be doing the mentorship in a different way. So we're going to be teaching you guys the inflation points and the value areas very properly, and then the market nature. How does this even come into play? But then, as I say, we're trading this. So this is a push up, and then this is a 1 2 3 touch. I know this one is a bigger one, but then it has to be big. You see how it moved? But then that is going to be explained much next month on the live session, guys. We're just explaining few stuff, maybe few concepts if it happens, but then we're usually explaining trades that we're taking, because this is a live trading, it's not a forex class. But yeah, so now there's just a 1 2 3 touch continuation, and it is confirmed, because you can see there's a push up. So what I'm waiting for now is just the continuation, man, the 3 touch. So you can see now we can go to the 15 and try to draw it. So you can do that, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then, so that's the prediction. So if you get that 3 touch, we're good to go. It's a little bit ugly though, but then yeah, you know, like you can do yourself a proper nice drawing, just that I'm a bit fast. So this is a proper drawing. Yeah, I think this drawing is proper. No, it's not. Yeah, okay, yeah, proper drawing. So 1 2 3 touch, 1 2 3 touch, then we're done, man. So this is going to be the 1 2 3, and then this, yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for that, and then yeah, so that is it. I think I'm done with my watch list for today. I'm going to hand it over to Spesihle, and then he can share us what he has.
Nice play here, as you can see for yourself. Yeah, we just formed the scoop here, forming a double top, having a nice push to the downside. So I'm just gonna wait for a counter trend. Yeah, on this one, AUD, NZD, then I'm having Euro dollar, on Euro USD. Okay. On Euro USD, I'm just looking for price to reach up here and give me a push down in a flag, you know, because they have in volume here, reacting to this area here. So just gonna wait for it to come up here, give me a nice push and a flag, then I'm actually gonna enter on the trade. So if we look onto the daily, what's really happening? So we had a push to the downside. We have an R value area here, so we're pushing downside, and we actually going to approach this area here. So when I zoom into the lower time frames, as you can see here, we just having we're playing along the trend, man. We're playing along the trend. So I'm just gonna wait for price to come up here and give me a push down in a flag, so we can fill up this gap here, you know. So we literally going to play that range, or maybe play the range to this point. Yeah, if you can jump here, this is a reasonable amount of space to actually come up with something. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see what price really gives us. Then I'm having Euro AUD, same thing. Wait to also have this one, just waiting for our flag here. I'm just gonna wait for 1 hour on this one. Waiting for our 1 2 3. That's only the 1 2 3. Yeah, I think we'll be good on this one. So yeah, and another one that I have is Euro GBP. And Euro GBP, so Euro GBP is, yeah, probably wait for it to touch continuation, because as you can see here, this one is on the lowest low, this one. So on the daily, you can see we reacted to this point here. We're having a nice double bottom, having our value area. So yeah, we're having volume. We're reacting to this point. We're having a nice rejection here. And if you jump to the 4 hour, you can see clearly what happened. We closed nicely on the 4 hour. We're having a nice push to the upside. Then on the 1 hour, you see we just forming a nice structure here. We're forming a nice structure, probably a 2-touch will be a reasonable play on this one. Yeah, probably planning to play up to this range here. See, probably, and that could be a very good return, probably around, let me check, approximately 7% or something. But we're just gonna wait to see if we actually get the right entry criteria on this one. Even the setup formation will be the one. So then lastly, I'm just having GU, man. It looks like it's playing out anyway. So yeah, this is my last take in GU. So I'm just gonna put my board down this one without any further ado, guys. This is what I have right now. So I'm just gonna end quickly because I'm trying to take GU now. So yeah, guys, that's all from me, man. That's all from me. Wait two. Is Wait2 still here?
Yeah, I'm still here, bro.
Yeah, bro. What's your take on GU? We're having GU here.
Okay, let me present the screen.
All right, bro.
I didn't see it, doc. For me, it looks like a 2-touch. I cannot see the 3-touch, but then the 2-touch is there for the counter trend. Pushed back, we came back, and then we did that, and then this one is looking nice though. Because yeah, I can take this now. 20 pips, because already I'm late, but then I'm just gonna take the shit, man. Now, okay. Guys, in the seasonal trade, yeah, let me just open Forex Factor. For me, it's a 2-touch, so I'm gonna be taking the 2-touch. I think it's fine. Counter trend things, position size calculator, and then you come here. GBP USD, man. GBP USD, GBP. Shit. GBP USD. Okay, I'm just gonna put 10,000 on boom. So I put money. Let's go 11. Stop loss. How much? We are new next one. Not gonna sell limit now. I'm gonna get in with the limit order and my bomb because I want a nice entry. So say 18.4 pips. Nice there. 18.4. Is it good? 18 straight. 18.1. Why didn't I see this one though? 18.1. Okay. 18.1. Calculate that one. So 0.06. Let me go to my account and then try to flip this one. So okay, GBP USD, where is the thing? GBP USD. So let's wait for 0.06. Market, okay, buy limit.
You know how it goes, bro.
Yeah, buy limit, dog. Market executing. Let's see, guys. Let's see if it comes back, but then it's gonna be the buy limits for me. I'm not gonna be chasing trades. That's the thing I don't do. If it goes, it goes. You know, this thing doesn't phase me. It's not the first time for me trading the forex market, so this thing can just come back to this and then. So So that is why we lose the limit orders. Don't find yourself entering there, dog. Already the thing is gone. Why are you putting yourself in a disadvantage? Because if you enter now, you're at a disadvantage. The entry was here. This is like so much. This can do so much in trade management, man. Yeah, but imagine the trade goes up and then comes maybe shy pull back it delana. Bese seyajika wona bungenelana manje so keep break even no bongo keep kuye an entry bayla. So there's usually a lot of things that we do to not get ourselves into like unnecessary losses and break evens, man. So yeah, I'm just going to waiting on that one for GBP USD. I think my stop loss is proper. I like it like that. So yeah, 4% still is nice. So yeah, man, as you can see guys, there we're having our live session. Is we're still continuing with it, but just now my teammate Lanze, the new coach for the Discord, is taking over. I was talking to the guys. So guys, being here is very like important because right now we do discuss some very important points in technicals and also the trades, so that you guys can also learn more stuff about the Falcon and also at the same time have the ability to take good high quality trades during the week, so you're making money at the same time you're learning. So that's what's up. Okay guys, so now back from town. I just wanted to freshen my head and get some food, you know what I'm saying. Like I had a little bit of stress. I have a few stuff stressing me, you know what I'm saying, but then stuff I wouldn't talk about here yet on YouTube, you know, because you know here we show what we want, but personal stuff though. But anyways, we're here for the chat at the end of the day, guys. So so this is the time you've been waiting for. I'm going to be showing you the setups that I usually look at, the setups that I take, the hyper probability setups, and how they should look like for myself, for my liking, and then maybe you can add them to your criteria, right, if you feel like they work good for you. So I do have a mistrade. Yeah man, I had a mistrade whilst I was away. I wasn't using my phone, I didn't check, but then there was a trade that that happened while I was in town, and then yeah, it sucks, bro. You know, the market is very slow, but then this trade just took off. So yeah, it's yeah, it's sad. So I'm gonna show you the mistrade, and then I'm going to show you the watch list. So no, sorry, so my setups that I usually look at. So I'm just gonna like explain properly how to take them and how they usually look like and what makes them to be high probability. Okay, so guys, we're here now. Okay, so this is a trade that I'm looking to take. However, I'm just wanting a 1 hour retrace, and then I take it because what I'm not comfortable is with this touch. This touch was formed due to the market swaps, like it was market open and then this thing happened. So I don't know if this is structure or that is the spread, because if I'm checking the other euro kid from FXCM, it's not the same, man. Like look at how it's like this is here is like a 2 touch, but then I can still take the trade because both the trades now are at this very area. So this is a possible 2 touch that we might take, and then a retrace there, it's possible. I think now it's fine because both of the setups are good, luckily for me. I don't know why. So like it's something that, yeah, it's surprising me as well. But then man, this is it. And seemingly also we have tagged this inflation points right there, as you can see. So it's like a 1 2 3 double bottom type off. So this one I think I take it right now, man. So let's wait for the last 30 trades and then we enter the forex market. Sorry man, I think I can be entering right now because this is a very good one. Like I don't know why I'd hesitate to take that one, because this to me is just a 1 hour flag, nothing much. Sorry, a 1 hour flag, it's not a 1 hour structure. So market execution here might work, right? Because we did have the 3 trades, right here. But then now what is nice is that we have tagged. So let us wait for the last 3 trades, and then we can take the trade. So how many minutes left? It's 13 minutes. And yo, I'm scared because I might lose this position because I'm recording the video. But then yeah, I have to like remember once the time is 6:45, I have to take the trade because the trade is good now. So I wanna remove the watermark, and then I start on sharing the setups. So guys, I only take 2 setups in Falcon, which first of all is going to be the 1 2 3, and then the second one is going to be the 2 touch, right? Usually like that. So here I'm gonna be explaining very well how the structures usually look like, because I know some of you do have similar structures, but then you still kind to find yourself in the groove. So first of all, the 3 touch is usually like this, man. Has a clear first touch, and then there's a second touch, and my second touch has to have a middle section, and then that's going to be the third touch right there. So it is usually a structure like that, man. As you can see, it is a structure like that. So there is usually a collection of volume here, and then the second touch, and to make it high quality, it usually has a middle section, a collection of volume inside the pattern, and then we go to the third touch. This one is usually high quality, the setup, guys. So I usually take it off the 15 to the 1 hour time frame only. That is where I take the setup. The 5 minutes I neglected it. I no longer use it because I used to lose a lot, and it's a time frame that is very much volatile. So there's higher chances you just lose your money there. And then there's also a variation of the 3 touch that is usually like that. So it doesn't have the collection of volume, but then it just has a pullback in it. Okay, so it is usually like this. It is up to you and how to put it there. So this is usually like that, as the 1, as the 2, as the 3. So these are the only setups that I take, and you may find that you guys do not take setups like this. What you find yourselves doing is that you just take corrections, man. You can't even see what is happening, bro. Like, and then like something of this sort, and then you find someone having structures like this, and then you take it, and I don't understand what is this, because guys, you should not know that we're trading patterns here, we're not trading correction. Not every correction is a pattern, by the way, right? You know that term. So both of these are corrections, but then what is a pattern? A pattern is going to be this, because this has structure. What do I mean by structure? Structure in the sense that there is clear touches, there's middle sections, there's equal spacing, the structure is like directly proportional. You know what I'm saying? The structure is directly proportional, and yeah, man, it's directly proportional. So I prefer it this, and this has a high chance of working because it is very much repeatable, other than this correction right there. So if I can go to my screenshots right now, so let me go and check my system. So okay, let me show you something. This is the system that I use, man. So let me just go to my go to setups, the 3 touch, the screenshots, the 1 hour flag, and then let's go to ATSHF. So as you can see, this is the first one that I was explaining. There's usually a collection of volume. Here it is very small, it was on the 5 minutes. So this is going to be the 1. Then the second touch has spacing inside, and the second and the third touch, there's also structure inside, which is the middle section I was talking about, and then it moves. You see, so it's simple as that. But then you guys, you don't use patterns. I don't know what you guys use. You're just seeing price there and then just take something. This is the pullback one, whereby we have the pullback, and it's gonna be the 1. It comes down, it comes back up, 2, it comes down, it comes back, and then the 3 charge and retrace, and then we enter. Look how beautiful this patterns plays out. This is the risk entry. So guys, I'm urging you guys to stop trading corrections and start trading structures, guys. So there's usually like this, on those pictures I show you the variations. There's this one, and then there's this one like this. So those ones are the only ones you should be looking for, and not anything else. You see this thing, guys? Here it is. There's a V shape. I don't know what that is, man. Like, it's just there. It's not like the patterns we trade. Yes, there is a 1 2 3 inside there. Like, I do see what he was trying to do, but then that is not the thing we trade in Falcon. the only 3 touches we have to trade are these ones that I just showed you right now. You see that thing? It is not even like, it is steep like that, bro. You see, it's something like this, and then there's this, and then there's gonna be this, like maybe he says this is the 1, 2, and then 3, and then the saw there. Bro, what is this? You cannot be doing this, bruh. Like for real, you're gonna get yourself into unnecessary losses. Just try to be a perfectionist and look for perfect structures and see how far your trading is gonna get. Like for sure your trading is gonna improve a lot if you just stick on to those proper, simple 8-book structures. Because guys, these structures are there, man. Like they are there even on the old Falcon. Let me show you guys. Those are the structures I recommend you guys should be looking at for sure if you want to improve. So if you can go there, this is my hard drive. Let's go check Falcon, and then Falcon, and then there's going to be the PDFs, and then there's going to be pattern identifier. And then here's the thing, man. So let it load. You see this, like, it's just the simple ones. This is the 1, 2, 3. Why don't you guys just look for structures like that, man? You see this expanding is 1, 2, 3 expanding, but I do not trade this. You should this is not it. But then you see those Falcon flags, 1, 2, 3 guys. Come on, man. Where is the problem in finding these simple structures? Like, for real, guys, come on, guys, because those are continuation patterns. Okay, this forget about them. They're just I think you guys understand this, but this is the most really important ones. These things, guys, this one, ignore that one, this one, in that one. Those are the ones that we trade, man. Like for real. And then in the market, they are not going to be easy like that. They're going to contain structure. It's not just going to be lines, but then it's going to be structures inside, right? And then I think for the 2 touch, I think I'll explain it on another video. But then for now, guys, I just wanted to show you like the importance of finding the structure like this. The 3 touch is one of the most powerful patterns you'll ever find in Falcon FX, regardless of us having the 2 touch and the V shape. This one is the most effective than all of them, trust me, guys. And you guys do not know how to use it properly, but then with the right education, you're gonna get it properly, man, and you're gonna kill the forex market with it. You know what I'm saying? So here, guys, so yeah, thanks for watching the video. And if you want to join our mentorship is now 500 rands. So you just hit me up. I'm gonna pop my WhatsApp number, and then you're gonna DM me, and then if you wanna make the payments, you can. It's like 500 rands per month, and it's very much effective because there's live trading, there's VIP signals, and also there's the Sunday market breakdown, and the forex classes as well, and the midweek market breakdown. So everything you find it inside that mentorship right now on the server. So now the server is just one thing, it's not separate, so everything is going to be combined. You're going to be getting all of those services for just 500 rands monthly payment. So with that said, guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share to your friends, and also leave a comment for any future video ideas you think I should make, or maybe any questions you might have. I might answer it on the next video. Have a good evening, guys. Goodbye.